Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Lenovo Rhino 1 Pro. First, adjust the brightness manually. Unlock the phone, go to Settings, scroll to Display and disable Adaptive Brightness, then set the brightness level manually. Next, download a screen dimming app. Open the Play Store, search for OLED Saver, install it, then open it and grant the permissions to modify system settings, update overlay, and show a brightness bar and notifications. Once you turn it on, the flickering should be gone. It looks much better with no flickering on the screen. As a last resort, update your software. Go to Settings, scroll down to System, tap System Updates, and make sure you're on the latest version. That's it for the video. Make sure you're on the latest version, and I hope this was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.